Hey, today's demo, we're going to show you how you can super quickly make a PDF report of some financial data using completely natural language, and you're going to get Python code for every step of it. So I'm going to tell the chat import fund info. This chat has the context of all of my data sets, so when I say fund info, it knows what I'm talking about. Great, it knows I'm talking about fund info CSV. I'll copy that into the cell here. That looks good. Let's open it in the Mito sheet just so I can visualize this data. I'm just going to drag in that data frame here, which is fund info. Okay, I have the fund names, I have the portfolio managers. Maybe I want to make this column a little bigger so I can read it a little better. Great. Here are my risk levels. Cool, I'm comfortable with this data. I'm going to switch to agent mode now. This is using Claude 4 Sonnet, but I could use any of these models. I'm going to switch to agent mode, and I'm going to say generate a report for this data, including 4 graphs and markdown cells explaining the analysis for each graph, then export it to a PDF. And I'll let that run. And agent mode is just going to operate in my notebook as if it's a collaborator. It'll build cells, it'll run cells, it'll correct mistakes, and it's going to build that report for me. Great, and here's our app. One thing that I'm noticing here is that I wanted it to make it a PDF, but it actually decided to make it a Streamlit app instead because some of the markdown doesn't convert to PDF as well. That's fine by me. I like that it's making these recommendations for how to best present the analysis. I could obviously export this as a PDF if I wanted to, but it's using Streamlit. Here's some summary information. Here are the charts I told it to generate. Here's the analysis, some key findings. Here we have ongoing charge distributions. Again, more key findings, more of that analysis. And finally, some conclusions and recommendations on how to operate based on this data. So yeah, pretty excited with the result. Would love if there was a little bit more interactivity, something we're working on. But yeah, a great way to go from file to interactive dashboard in just natural language.